How the solar tax credit works. The investment tax credit, or ITC, will give you 30% of your solar costs back as a credit on your federal tax returns. You can think of this as a 30% discount on the cost of going solar. If you own your own solar panel system, you are eligible for the ITC. However, you aren't eligible if you lease your solar panels or if you signed a power purchase agreement. There's no cap on how much you can claim with the ITC, but because it's a credit and not a refund, you can't get more back in a single year than you owe in federal taxes. Instead, the remainder of your credit will roll over into the next year. Here's an example. If your system costs $20,000, then you're eligible for 30% of that as a tax credit, or $6,000. But if you only owe $5,000 in federal taxes that year, then you'll eliminate all of those taxes and still have $1,000 left over for the next year. For more details on how this works, we recommend you talk to your tax advisor. Unfortunately, the ITC won't be available forever. It shrinks from 30% to 26% in 2020 and disappears altogether for homeowners in 2022. Take advantage of it today and start shopping for solar on EnergySage. EnergySage. Smarter energy decisions.